Hi, I'm Rama, Mehra, the founder and CEO of Asante Realty, and we service the Tri-Valley and the major parts of the Bay Area. We are a strong team of real estate agents in this area and serve many, many clients in the past 20 years since we've been in business. I just wanted to come in here today and talk about what's going on in the market. And a lot of people were chatting with me and giving me rebuttals about, what the market conditions are going to do in the last quarter when the market was absolutely dead. With the rising interest rates in the market, that people pulled back thinking that this market is going to crash. Well, once again, we have the same scenario what happened in 2020 when everybody thought when COVID would hit that the market would crash, and it took off the other way. That's exactly what's happening again since January this year. And I have been talking with my team since last year. And I did mention to them this thing somewhere around July or August, that you wait and see that there's going to be a tightening in the market for supply, because a lot of the homeowners who were not getting the prices that they wanted were either pulling their homes off the market and continuing to live in them. And then there were many who rented out their homes who had already moved out, and they were being positive cash flow because the mortgage that they had was a lot lower than what people are taking out now. And so with the mortgage payment and the taxes and the rent would offset all of that. So they would continue to own the home and continue to build equity in their homes. The other thing, that the reason why we are seeing a lot of shortage in the market is because a lot of those homeowners, till about maybe I would say about a year ago, they were refinancing their loans, sometimes even down to 2% for a 30-year fixed. I've seen that with some of my clients. And obviously with such low payments, unless and until, it's a catastrophic situation where they absolutely have to sell and move, only then people will move, otherwise sell and move, otherwise they won't. And I feel that this inventory problem is going to cause a lot of strain this year, because a lot of people are still not ready or have their homes rented out till maybe the end of the year. And so those homes are off the market for a while. So if you are a buyer in the market looking for a home, be prepared. I know it's not the best of news that I want to share with you, but in the last week, we have lost multiple offers to cash buyers. I think with this bank collapse with SVB and other banks coming in jeopardy, it may be a possibility that people are getting scared and pulling their money out of the bank, and the stock market's tanking too right now. So the safest place to park the money is, an asset like a home. So that's what I think people are doing, because we got beat out multiple times with cash offers, even though our terms and price and everything was very strong. So all I'm going to say is, if you are a buyer and you feel that, it's time for you to buy, it's going to be super hard for you to time it, because the market is so volatile and it keeps going up and up and up. And even from clients who bought in like 2021, 22, where I thought, wow, we really hit the top of the market. Guess what? That market is also going further up. So if you're a buyer, you are going to get priced out pretty soon, where you could have afforded maybe 1.5 to 1.7 million 6 months ago. You're probably not even going to qualify for that much. So it's best to get your expectations in check and understand that, this market is probably not going to get down to the levels where you are thinking. And if you are a seller and you have been considering the thought of maybe selling your home, this is a good time, because there is barely any inventory in the market. You're not going to get crazy offers like $500,000 over asking. That market has sailed for everybody. But if you're a realistic seller and you feel it's time to cash out and move on with your life, I think this is a great time, because there are buyers in the market who are looking for homes and you can't find them. So whichever situation you're in, you're never going to be able to time it perfectly. So if you're in the market looking to buy, or you are considering to sell, give us a call. We'll give you an up-to-date information on what the market is doing, and we are here to guide you in the best way possible. Give me a call today at 925-698-1815. Look forward to talking to you soon.